case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1995, the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of Ohio heard the case of Carroll v. Carroll. Rebecca E. Carroll filed a complaint against her ex-husband, Alfred M. Carroll, for failing to pay the amounts required by their divorce decree. The decree granted Rebecca 1/2 of 9/21 of Alfred's Air Force retirement benefits. After Alfred's bankruptcy, Rebecca argued that her debt was non-dischargeable. During the trial held on August 15, 1995, both parties presented evidence to support their positions. The judge ultimately ruled that Alfred's obligations to Rebecca under the divorce decree were non-dischargeable under 11 U.S.C. Section 523(a)(15). The debtor, Alfred, had at least $400 per month in disposable income, and discharging the debt would significantly harm Rebecca.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.